In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate story age in a specific state or column within Jira, a popular project management and tracking tool used by teams across various industries. Understanding how long a task has stayed in a particular state can be invaluable for managing workflows and identifying bottlenecks in your processes. Let's dive into the practical steps to reveal this powerful information. First, you'll need to navigate to your Jira board. This is your main hub where you can view and manage all ongoing projects and tasks within your team. Once you're on the board, locate the three dots next to your board's name. These three dots are the options menu, offering a suite of additional configurations for your board. Click on them and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Board Settings. This feature provides you with various customization options to tailor the board to meet your team's unique needs. After entering the board settings, look for the card layout section. This area allows you to modify how information is displayed on each card, which is particularly useful for teams wanting to optimize their workflow visibility. Once you are in the card layout section, you'll find the option to toggle days in column to on. Enabling this setting is crucial as it activates a visual flag or representation of how long a story has remained in that specific state or column. By doing this, you can quickly grasp how your tasks are progressing and identify any potential delays. Once you've toggled the setting on, you can now return to your Jira board to apply your changes. Back on the board, you will notice an immediate enhancement in the visibility of your tasks. For a more detailed insight, hover your mouse over any issue or story. You'll see a display revealing how many days the story has remained in its current column or status. This feature provides you with the transparency needed to assess the efficiency of your workflows. Knowing the age of your stories in different states empowers you and your team to make data-driven decisions, helping to streamline operations and ensure timely project completions. These steps are not only easy to implement but also offer substantial benefits in terms of managing project timelines and efficiency. By keeping a close eye on the story age, your team can proactively address any issues before they become critical bottlenecks, paving the way for a smoother workflow. Implementing this feature into your daily routine will undoubtedly enhance your project management skills, providing valuable insights into your team's productivity and workflow dynamics. So don't wait, try it out today and see how it can make your project tracking more efficient and insightful.